This is SMILEDRIVE's electric garden sprayer. So it is 1 liter, right? You have 1 liter of water storage in this. It has a battery of 2000 mAh. It is pretty good. And you have an adjustable nozzle, you have mist mode, you have stream mode, battery indicator, USB charging, and volume indicator. So this is the box it comes in. The price is written as 2,799. So I'll open it up and let's see how it is. Once the box is open, this is how it looks. And they've given this, which is pretty good. Like you have installation issues, you can just call them up on this number, which is pretty good. I normally don't see that in small companies. And here you have the nozzle. Inside over here, I think this has the motor and this is just the storage part. I'll take it out. So these are the things you get inside the box. You have this, which is basically just to put water, right? And you have the measuring indicator, as it was told, 0.5 up all up till 1 liter. And you get a 6 months warranty card. And then you get product information, 1 liter, same thing. Almost everything was written on the box itself, right? You have this. Oh, it has a few notes as well, so that it's easy for you to use. USB charger, spray pattern, water level indicator, same thing, right? It's pretty straightforward. And you have this. This is the main. This is the main thing, right? Oh, it already has some charge. Anyways, I'll just charge it a little bit and then we'll test it out. See how it works. See if it's good or not. One more thing I noticed is that it's Type C, which is pretty good because almost everything is Type C right now, even iPhones. So it only makes sense that even this is Type C. Okay, now that I've kept it for charging, here's the charging indicator that they had mentioned. I thought I'll just show you guys. It already had 3 points charge, right, when it came out of the box. So it's like 1 more point of charging. So I think I can start using it now. I'll just fill up water and see how it works. This is how it looks. It's actually pretty big and long, right? Like 1 liter of water in this. And on top is just the motor and the mechanism and all the electric part, right? I filled water already, so it's 1 kg heavy. And let's go try it out. Okay, this is the first time I'm trying it out. So it has only one button. So let's check it. Okay, this is like a mist mode, as you can see, which is pretty good, right? And there are other modes as well. To change the mode, all I need to do is just rotate this. Yep. Now this is like a stream mode. The more I rotate, the more misty it gets. The more I rotate the other side, the more streamy it gets, the more single it gets. I like the misty one. Misty one is pretty nice. Look at that. It's a pretty good product. And to turn it off, just press it again. Turn it on, press it again. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Very nice. And it's doing a great job, as you can see. Pretty good job. It's making it all wet and nice. A steamy wet, not that force wet, Pretty good. Anyways, if you want to buy this, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out and you can purchase it from Amazon directly. I'll give it probably a 4 out of 5. I don't like the color, and they didn't give me any color options. So other than the color, it's perfect.